MLA Meral Bonds aim along with MDC Balajit Rani of Nongpok constituency today met with the Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi and Chairman of the District Selection Committee, Abhilash Baranwal, urging the prompt declaration of the recruitment results for DSP posts for the year 2020 to 21. This initiative was undertaken by SAIM in response to numerous complaints from local youths who had applied for the various posts. Speaking to the media after the meeting, SAIM stated that the discussion was productive.
Done the recruitment, ya kaba lakhot adi post hotel for Ribhoi district, ya kaba intelligence test ke exam lakhot snem ada for way kaba dan sa adu mentah sa tek ya kaba 4 lakh demi yang result tak mi dan ngeting snook ya kino nikmat nak Ribhoi ban budin yang kena kam ladon sipun ki samla wat kam ki badan jai am balano dengan result kan ni bat ada ju popor ikimi kipar balajuan ban kendu na ko se popor man snow ya keting sukya kalau kita slam jom da result bat kajinya keren tolong ke bat snow kena bat bila persu ya kena kam na kabaduka no ban employ.
The MDC of Maulai constituency